Father, this debt has spoken louder than my peace for too long. It has followed me into my sleep, into my prayers, into my joy. But today I refuse to let money be my master. I come under your authority, not pressure, not panic, not shame, but truth. Father, this debt has spoken louder than my peace for too long. It has followed me into my sleep, into my prayers, into my joy. But today, I refuse to let money be my master. I come under your authority, not pressure, not panic, not shame, but truth. Now, Father, I shift from asking to declaring, because your word says in Job 22:28, "You shall decree a thing and it shall be established for you." So I decree today, I break agreement with financial oppression. I break agreement with endless lack. I break agreement with cycles of debt that repeat year after year. In the name of Jesus, I cancel every voice of fear that says, "You'll never be free." I silence every lie that says, "This is your portion." This is not my portion. Your word says in Deuteronomy 28:12, "You will lend to many nations and borrow from none." Father, I stand on that word, not as entitlement, but as covenant. I declare divine strategy over my finances. I declare wisdom that multiplies resources. I declare discipline that aligns with abundance. Where there has been leakage, bring correction. Where there has been delay, bring acceleration. Where there has been loss, bring restoration. Your word says in Joel 2:25, "I will restore to you the years the locust has eaten." So I declare, what debt consumed, you restore. What interest swallowed, you redeem. What fear delayed, you recover. I declare supernatural help. Help from places I didn't expect. Ideas that unlock income, connections that shift my future. Father, I declare that debt will not outlive my obedience. Debt will not outlast my discipline. Debt will not overpower your favor. I speak provision over my home. I speak clarity over my decisions. I speak peace over my mind. I declare that money will no longer control my emotions. I will not panic. I will not rush. I will not compromise. I will trust. Your word says in Philippians 4:19, "My God shall supply all my needs according to his riches in glory." Not according to my salary, not according to the economy, according to his riches. So today I receive grace to walk wisely, courage to face what needs fixing, and faith to believe that freedom is not a fantasy. It is a promise. I may not see the full release yet, but I believe the process has begun. And I declare boldly, I am coming out of debt. I am walking into freedom. I will testify of your provision in Jesus' mighty name. Amen.